go. Omo, AI don't change everything, oh. Make I show you something small.
See as AI, they help us do work sharp. Ha! Even my mama, they use them now.
You fit use AI learn anything. Cooking, business, even dancing shaku. No dull yourself. AI don't open new levels. Make we use them blow together.
Wait, I know you enjoy that amazing video, but do not worry, I will teach you how you can also do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn AI with Musa. Today we're diving into some exciting new AI concepts because I was also created by AI and you can also do it. Now I will take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can do it.
So to create that kind of video, all you have to do is to head over to your Apple Store or Google Play Store. You go and download this app, which we call ChatGPT. I know a lot of people have heard about it before, but if you have not heard about it, you go and download this second one. This one that is called ChatGPT. This one here, ChatGPT. You download the application on your phone and install it. Now you download the second app, which you are also going to be using. Now the second app which we will be using is Google Gemini. It is called Google Gemini. This one you are seeing here. This second one you are also seeing here. This one you also install the application on your phone. Now the third app we'll be using to create that kind of amazing video. The last one is what we call Grok AI. This one you are seeing right here also, Grok AI. As you can see, smartest AI advisor. You also install the application on your phone. Now, if you successfully install the application on your phone, the first thing you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. This is our ChatGPT. I've already generated the prompt. I've generated everything. Now, this is how I'll do it. I said I want you to create 3D cartoon video using Google Video 3.1, a 30-second video that will catch attention of everyone watching. I want to continuously character. Each scene should be a video of 8 seconds because VO3 only generate a 8 video. I cannot be reading all these things because if I say I should be reading all this, it will take a lot of time, but you can read it through. Or if you want this prompt, which I used to generate the entire video, you let me know. I will drop it in the Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, you can go and check it out on my Telegram channel. And after I give ChatGPT this prompt, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, as you can see, it gave me everything. This is the part 1. This is the image generation prompt using Nano Banana AI. Because on my prompt here, I also tell ChatGPT that I will be using Nano Banana AI to generate the image because I have to generate the image before I get the video. Now, this is where I come in direct. This is the prompt. Now, the first thing I have to do is to copy this prompt and go to my second AI tool, which is called Google Gemini, where we'll be using Nano Banana AI to generate the image. Now, this is it. I have to upload my image just because Nano Banana AI understands the kind of image ratio I want. Because if you just paste in the prompt just like that, it will generate any random image for you without any prompt. Because I want to use it for YouTube, that is why I put it here that using this image prompt, using this image ratio. And as you can see, this is the ratio and this is what Nano Banana AI gave to me. This is the image. Now, after Nano Banana gave me this image, I have to save the image. Now, after saving the image, then I now use the last AI tool, which is called Grok AI. Now, let me take you guys to Grok AI and also show you how you can do it. All you just have to do here is just copy the prompt and paste it, and it's going to generate this image. And after I generate the image, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to the next AI tool, which I showed you a moment ago, Grok AI. Now, let's go to Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Let me go back. Now, on Grok AI, all you have to do is just to click on this plus sign here. You click on it and you upload your image. Now, this is the image. I'll upload the image. Now, after uploading the image, I'll go back to ChatGPT here. Now, as you can see, our second prompt here, this is the image video character. We copy it, and after we copy it, we go back here and we paste it here. Now after we paste it, we click on continue. Now when you click on continue, you just have to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you. And the video will be talking the way you see the video when I play it at the beginning of this video. The video will be talking because we have already generated everything on our prompt. Yes, we have already generated everything. Now let's give it some minutes. Let's wait for it to complete. And you are going to see the magic how it works. So make sure you also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now let's see it. As you can see,
AI don't change everything. Oh, make I show you something small.
now as you can see, this
AI
is
don't change everything.
so you guys can see how it is. You guys can see how it is. Now this is how it generates the video. So the next thing you have to do, you don't need to even upload the image again. You go back and you copy the next prompt here. As you can see, the action oral. Now the next thing you are going to do is just to copy this. Then you come back here, you paste it. Now let's copy it. You copy, you come back. Now let's go back here, you paste it. Make sure you save this first one, you paste it, and after you click on paste, you click on continue. And when you click on continue, you are going to see it's going to start generating it also. As you can see, it start generating it. Now this is how you are going to do to generate all the scene you are seeing here. You generate everything. As you can see, you just copy. As you can see, copy code, you copy it one by one, you copy it all. Now after you successfully copy and you generate all the scene, now the next thing you are going to do is to go to any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut, you can use any video editing tool, insert, or what is it called, I don't know, any image editing tool you are using, and you go and join the videos together. Now this is how you do it. I'll be using CapCut to show you example. Now you click on add new videos. Now when you click on add new video, you are going to see all the videos here. As you can see, these are all the videos. We just need to add the videos. You just need to add it. Now after you add the video together according to the scene, now you are going to see the video, you edit it, and after you edit it, you save your video and export your video. Now you have successfully generated this kind of video, and this type of video you can be posting it on your social media account, being Facebook, TikTok, or any of your social media account, even on YouTube. And with few days you are going to be monetized. So this is how I created that amazing video you just watched a moment ago. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.